from Oscha Slings, and today I'm going to show you how to do a front carry with our Bairn carrier with crossed straps at the back. So this is our Bairn carrier, and it's a super simple, super lightweight carrier which can go from newborn all the way to about 2 years old. So to size it for a smaller baby, my doll today is about 3 months old, so we just use the Slider-Cinch here. So I'm going to just bring each side inwards like this, and you can just size that width there to the hip width of your baby. So if you perhaps 6 months will be about here, and a year up to 2 years. So you just simply bring it in like so. And then I'm going to position the padded waist belt quite high on my chest, so just under the bust line here. So as I say, my baby today is about 3 months old, so for younger babies you're going to want to fasten it quite high up, and you just put in the clip there, and you've got dual tighteners so you can tighten on each side. And now I'm going to get my baby. Now it's important here to position your baby's bottom just over the panel here. So if we put my baby's bottom about here, then the panel width will reduce so that you can make sure that it comes to just at the nape of the neck there. So I'll just show you that there. So you make a hammock under here. So when I bring that fabric round into the knee pit, I'm sizing it so that the top of the panel is sitting on the nape of the neck there. So I'll bring that a little bit closer so you can see. Here, it scoops all the way around from there into the knee, and the same on the other side, and we have the top of the panel coming up just to here, and that's what you're looking for. If you need to bring your waistband up a little bit or put it down a little bit just to make that panel width shorter or longer, then now's the time to do that as well. Okay, so I've got one hand on baby at all times, and I'm going to put one strap over and the other strap over my shoulder, and just keep hold of baby's bottom under there. So I'm going to go with my first hand. I'm going to reach round and grab the strap, and I'm going to pull down, down and then around. So down, then round, and I'm going to clip it in here to the side. And I'm going to just tighten that a little bit. So bring the slack round and tighten it back a little bit. And I'll do the other side, and then we'll tighten it up properly after. So I'm switching my hand, going round, taking the other one, down and round, down and round. And clip that in here. And bring it around, and now I'm just going to make sure that everything's adjusted properly before I do my final tighten. So I've got baby in, and I need to just make sure that my tightening is correct. So I need a little bit more tightening on this side. So I'm just going to lift under baby's bottom a little bit, pull this round so that you have plenty, bring all the slack into your buckle. And then just tighten that up there, round to the buckle, and tighten that a little bit there as well, and arms up. And then I'm just going to double check my knee positioning so that I'm in the M position. Make sure that everything is knee to knee. The dolls is a little bit more tricky, but there you go. And make sure that I'm comfortable. So just to do some safety checks now, so we need to make sure that the baby's airways are clear, that no fabric is obstructing their airways, and that everything is nice and smooth into the knee pit and they're in that end position. And then I can double check my own comfort. If I need to tighten anything, I would do that now. And this is the hood here. We would recommend, if you're looking for a little bit extra head support, you can bring the hood up and tie it around the straps here, like so. And we would also recommend, when you are using the hood, so to shield from sun or rain or just privacy, or to support sleeping baby's head, that you just use one side at a time. So you would have this side up into the fastenings there, and you would leave the other side open at all times so that baby's airways are clear. Okay, so that's the Bairn carrier, front carry with crossed straps. And now to take it off, simple, hold under bottom and under your clips at each side, like so. And then you can take baby out and you're undoing your waist clip there. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed our video today. If you would like any more help at all, please do join our group on Facebook, Clan Oscha, and or email us at info@oschaslings.com and we can get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks very much. Bye bye.